All right, so we got to call this video Tesla. What are you waiting for? You haven't shown me any love, any breakout, any sign that you're just ready to take it to the next level in some time now, right? So Tesla, what are you waiting for? Let me show you what I'm talking about. So let me get you up to date. Let me show you what's happening with the charts from the bigger picture, and I'll show you why we calling it, what are we waiting for? What are you waiting for? Oh my goodness. All right, so we all know, man, if you're watching this video, you like Tesla, you follow Tesla. Tesla's in a downtrend, right? That you're not, the whole stock market's in a downtrend, but Tesla's in a downtrend. So you got the primary trend line right here. And I have 3 downward trend lines because every higher high just hasn't been going high enough. They've been selling it as fast as it can go up. Even though it had that incredible run off the bottom, it was a nice move. If you got in down here, you are sitting nice. Right now, you would be up like 75% or so. We went as high as like 115% off that low. But hey, you know, it pulled back, and hopefully we can head higher from here. The stock closed at 174.48. It's scheduled, it's going to open about 2%, right? Up about 176. All right, let's get back to the video. I digress. I've been saying that a lot lately. All right, so here's the downtrend line. Primary, secondary, right? And I got my 2 touches. You know, I try to find a trend line that is going to have the multiple touches, the most touches. If I had 3 touches on any of these trend lines, I would just call that the trend line. But look, 2 touches on the primary, 2 touches on the secondary, and I even drew a tertiary with 1, 2 touches, and it just can't break. I mean, do I have to draw a quadruciary, if there's such a word? Do another one going down here? No, just kidding. Anyway, all right, so right here, the 38.2 Fibonacci. I took off the others, the 50, the 61.8, because it just didn't matter. We couldn't even break the 38.2 off the low. So I got that the only one that's up there, which was also coincided with major resistance. So when you zoom in here, you could see, I thought, let's go to the daily, get a better look, zoom in, and I thought we was gonna break through. You know, lots of consolidation in here, right? Nice move off the low, consolidate, getting ready for that next step higher. But you see, we have that tertiary downtrend right here. We have the 38.2 fib right here, and also a major level of resistance. Guess what? It wasn't able to do it. It wasn't able to do it. I wanted to do a video right here, but I didn't. Forgive me, please. But we broke down. And once we broke down, because I had said it, once we consolidate in here and it fails, or it succeeds and breaks out to the upside, the move was going to be hard. And sure enough, it was. We went from basically 186 all the way down to 163 in 4 days. Big move, right? A big move. It would have been the same if we would have broke out to the upside, but we didn't. So what are you going to do? What have you done for me lately? Anyway, so we're going to open up at 177 or so, 178, and maybe this is the move that we can find. I want to see, basically, I want to see Tesla make an accomplishment. It really hasn't made an accomplishment. And I sit here and I'm laughing, I'm making jokes, and it's actually getting frustrating, and I get it. I get what's happening when the macro picture in the economy, right? If the banks, oh my God, look, when the market's gonna go down, Tesla's gonna go down with it. So let's see, back to square one. Can we break 187 or so? We need to get right back into this consolidation area. And if it can do that, then we can look at the next leg, the next accomplishment or achievement it must surpass. It's not even this heavy resistance line right here. It's not the 38.2. It's this downtrend line, which is going to wind up being the primary downtrend line. All right, we're here. Can you get here? 200. Can you break 200? Can you do it for me? Can you make me feel good about my positions? Even though it's low, I feel good. Anyway, stochastic, slow stochastic, ready to break out. It was starting to over here, starting to make that move, but it wind up kind of continuing to the downside. It's just down here hanging out, but starting to break out. One thing it did do was it held this low. It held that support level. Nice. I actually thought we was going to come down, and we still might. If it breaks this support line. Remember this gap right here that I have highlighted in gray? We break the support level. We're filling this gap. We are filling this gap. But I thought we was, but it's holding. This support level is holding. So let's see if this downtrend was enough to fill that gap. I know we didn't even get there, but let's just say it did. Oh, the stock market is open when I'm making this video, 9:30. So look, I got my bar, my next day, starting to draw, which is a nice candle. It opened at, what did we open at? 177.31. All right, so let's see if we could break this 38.2. No, excuse me. Let's see if we could. Let me zoom out so I can see what's going on. Let's just see if we can break this level of resistance, which was support in this consolidate. We have to get back in this area. Then we need to break this downtrend line. Then we need to break this level of resistance along with the 38.2 Fibonacci. That's what I'm looking for with Tesla right now. Go to the hourly. Maybe I can draw it. We want to see this. Right? We want to see it hold that. We want to see it hold that trend line all the way out to here. And if it does, without going a straight up parabolic move, we'll be hitting that area right around March 20th. March 20th or so. Hey, guess what? That's only next week. All right, so let me know what you think about this video. What have you done for me lately? Can you do something? Anyway, hey, 179 looking good for the open, up 2.84%. Maybe this was the bottom, right? The immediate bottom, and we can move forward and start breaking some levels. I'm Dre Trades, and I'm out.